Imagine what your guy feels like.
Okay. What was it? What do we get?
3 smithing stones.
Boom! And we're back.
Hey.
Okay, so I ended up putting on that new Art of War, the crazy slash one.
We are so
Check
dumb.
this out.
We should have done it sooner.
Check this out. Boom, boom, boom. I can go as long as I want doing this.
Well. Oh, bro, that's crazy.
Oh, doesn't this look dope? Oh! Ah!
Dude, the crowd control.
Alright. This is gonna be fun.
Run up in on some small bad guys and just whack them.
Alright, let's go. Alright, what's in here? I think this is the first major area that we have to go in. Look at this place.
Stormvale Castle.
Dun. Okay. I kind of remember the spot when they announced the game. I watched the trailer.
Was this in the trailer?
Yeah, this is the first area they like took us through.
Mm.
There's a guy that tells us to do something and it ends up being bad. So I think we're gonna kill him.
It's a good idea.
You there? Come over here, would you?
Oh, yeah, I saw the other guy kill this guy too.
Alright, the message says.
No, don't do it.
Guy
Don't do it.
attacking.
Well, you get something really good if you kill him.
I don't know.
No, you do. I know, I watched the video.
Oh, really?
Remember that wretched tarnished guy that kills all the NPCs?
Yeah.
He gets a thing out of it.
Alright, well, we're just gonna kill him then.
Alright, let him talk first.
That's the spirit. Alright.
Dude, he's really hard though.
You think so?
I think so.
Alright, let's see if he can just get past me, huh?
Uh-oh, Lantern is MVP. Oh, Eli.
Did I hit a wall? Are you serious?
Yeah, you hit a wall. Boom, boom, Bushki, boom. Oh my god.
This is so easy!
This is disgusting.
Oh, I have no stamina. Boom!
Oh, I guess it does take your
Boom!
stamina.
Boom!
If you actually hit him.
Boom!
Oh my gosh, that was disgusting. I actually don't know if you get anything good. You might have just ruined everything.
How are you not
How is
dead?
he not dead? Oh, he dodged the heck out of that one card.
Why do they gotta say something like so depressing?
Yes. Oh, there it is.
Temporarily boosts item discovery.
Oh, this sucks.
Yeah, that was awful. Why did
I'm
you kill
sorry. Go back. He didn't deserve
You
it.
lied to me.
He didn't deserve it.
It's fine.
Oh man.
It's fine.
We just unalived somebody because I thought they get good items.
Ruin fragment. Ooh, what's over here? Let this go.
Yahoo! You can eat that garlic.
Sorry. That was awful.
You can eat that garlic.
You gotta eat that garlic. Whoops, hello. Well, let's go this way. Oh my god! Freaking A, dude!
Dude, bird that.
Oh! Oh! He just stabbed me. He just, what's it called when you stab a pig?
Stuck you?
Yeah, he stuck me like a pig, babe. Babe? What's going on here? I'm cutting that out. I'm cutting that out.
Okay.
He stuck me like a pig. Okay.
You lived with your wife for long enough. It's an appropriate thing to happen.
And we're back.
Hey!
Because I cut that out.
Now we don't have to kill that guy. No!
He is still super dead. Well, now we know there's a bird.
And if we kill any NPCs, they're stay dead.
Alright, let's go this way.
Oh, yeah, they say it because it was...
Shutting down.
Dude,
Alright, there's the bird.
he just destroyed you.
Come here, bird.
Get your Art of War going before he gets down here. Oh, this is awful, but amazing.
Okay, well, he died.
Yo, the Grey Sword is usable now. So I love it.
I know. It's really cool. All
He
right,
didn't even loot him.
It's fine.
Alright.
Let us go. Oh, there's another one.
Oh, there's two of them. Watch us. Oh.
Oh my god. Ah! Oh, please!
Watch out for that second one. We're gonna Infinidag ourselves on this new Art of War, aren't we?
Yeah. 100%. Alright, why didn't you help your friend at all, dude? Boom! Right out of the sky.
So sick.
Okay, let's go this way. I don't honestly know where we're going. I think this is the right way. Maybe.
I'm just as lost as you are.
Well, what? Hello? I don't want to fight another bird. We'll do it.
Give him a big boy sneak. Oh, never mind, he's looking. Oh, it was a bandit. I mean, a bandit. An ambush.
It was a Kahoot.
Ah!
Okay, well, I just want the guy.
Dude, we just got ambush oozled.
Well, we're gonna cut this because that was a lot of work.
Woo!
Let's grab our grace. I'm gonna stop trying calling it souls.
Is that what they're called?
Oh, jeez. No, it's called grace. Can you please?
There's a third one coming.
Okay. Healing. Ow. Why you gotta do so freaking much damage, please? Ah, jeez.
Do your art of war. Ah!
No! Don't jump off! Oh my god, I almost jumped off.
Oh, he's so close to dead.
I think we can use this now.
Do it. You should also just toss a bone dart at that last one.
Please.
Good man. Imagine what your guy feels like.
Okay. What was it? What do we get?
Three smithing stones.
Oh.
Worth it.
Okay. Well. Oh, it's worth it. Never mind. We're good. We're good. Journey time, baby.
Look, summoning spot.
We're good. Let's go to sleep.
You.
Okay. Freak, I'm tired. It's just so much work. All
I
right.
believe it. I watched it.
All right. We're not going to upgrade anything else unless it's endurance until we can put on this chest piece. What's this? Ooh, a shield.
Oh, that's a cool shield. It's a leather shield. You should totally be able to use it and not get fat.
Oh, you couldn't use the thing. Oh, jeez. Okay.
Try using that shield. It's a leather shield.
Ow. Hold on.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to kill myself just because I want berries. What? You can use... oh, jeez. Okay. Ow. You're dead.
Is this the jellyfish area?
No.
Dang it.
You're dead.
You use all the bone darts.
Boom.
That was awesome.
You're done. Get out of my house. Castle. Get out of my castle. Hold on, let's go this way. Hello?
Don't bone dart that guy?
Oh,
Oh, frick.
hold on.
Oh, that's good.
Offer tower? Wait, what's
Offer
this say?
flower. Something.
Offer flower.
That's...
But still no head.
Why is everyone saying that as a joke?
'Cause they want head, Avery.
Oh, obviously, but gosh dang.
Alright, let's try... Ooh, you're all dead. Yeah. Oh, hi. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm leaving. Okay.
Art of War.
Yeah. Oh, you're right. Art of War. Boom.
Oh, imagine if you just done it on both of them, you would have just laid them out
You're right.
there.
I should be doing better. Ooh, what's over here?
It's not what I said at all, but I'm glad you're getting some kind of
Enemy ahead.
help out of it.
And then seek armament. Ooh, okay. Try rolling. Enjoy shortcut ahead. Okay. I'm rolling.
It said in short joy ahead.
Oh, really?
I think so.
That's a guy over there.
Wow. Imagine having the ability to just roll through boxes like that.
Oh, that was a lot of
Or
damage.
backstab.
Ever see a
someone
frame
with
trap?
your face.
Boom, that was a frame trap.
We actually stuck getting up.
Yeah, dude.
What's it called in Smash?
What?
When you punch somebody and it forces them to do that animation, you can hit them more.
A jab reset?
Jab reset.
Yeah. Ooh, what claws?
Wolverine? Who?
I don't know if I want to use those.
You should try it.
Okay, we'll try it. I can't use it. I don't have enough decks. How much decks we have?
A lot, right?
13 decks? Oh, we only leveled up decks once.
We're only at 13. How much do you need to use it?
14. You need 14 decks.
You should use it and then add it to the side, like dagger.
Yeah, okay. Once we have
Enough dexterity.
endurance.
Oh, is it gonna wreck your endurance?
Well, I just want to wear my chest piece.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, those are bombs! Okay, those are bombs, 100%.
Because they're red.
Hold on. Nope. That's why.
I meant because the barrels are red. That's how you knew they were bombs.
Well, it was just obvious.
Ah.
A dark room with people throwing bombs at you.
Dude.
I love backstabbing. It's just so satisfying. I can't do
It's
anything
better
else.
with a greatsword too, but it's horrible at the same time. Imagine getting run through with a greatsword through your spine.
Yeah. No thanks. What's
No,
over
thank
here?
you.
Ooh, stuff. Hello. Oop. Okay.
Is it sad that's not at all where my brain thought you were going?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Boom. Bang. You're done. I love my commentary. It's the best.
Boom, bang, you're done.
Could this be a cramped area?
What does that mean?
It's just a cramped area. I don't know. I wonder how they write messages. I should write something.
That's your finger. The finger you got at the very beginning.
No, I know how they do it, but like,
Why?
can you only type a certain way? Blocking required ahead, because this is like how they talk. Strong foe ahead. Be
maybe.
wary of foe. Ooh, wait, can I go in here? Yeah, I want to fight you. I want to fight whoever's in here.
Whoa. Oh, that's a lot of blood. Wait,
That's
let's
a
watch
lot
the
of
blood
death.
stain first.
There it is. Oh!
We've made a grievous mistake. That guy wields great swords for fun.
Yeah, he lifts.
He's also
Oh, I should heal! Oh, I
also
don't have
like
anything to heal with.
8'6".
Oh, he can use whirlwind powers!
Would Art of War?
Boom! Oh, you right? Art of War?
Oh, Brady
I
doesn't
don't think
flinch.
that, yeah, he doesn't care about the Art of War.
He's got super armor.
We need health. But now we don't have to fight those dang birds, so I think we're fine.
That's good.
Freaking birds. Oh no! All my souls.
Oh, we just had like 3,900.
I cannot die.
Oh, dang it.
I'm not allowed to die.
Well, we can grab those and run back, yeah? Like fast travel?
No.
Oh.
I mean, no.
Oh, oh come on.
Okay, so they're gonna
Art
make
of
it really
War.
hard.
Bam, bam, bam. Oh, dude, it's so cheesy. I love it.
Okay, cool. So we just.
You literally just mowed through
Oh,
them.
you didn't die, huh?
Wow, how is he not dead?
There we go.
Better.
Okay, let's go. Alright, we're gonna skip by this guy. We're gonna go up here. Oh, hello. Whoa! What was that?
I think if you miss, you can do a hit after that, so try pushing attack again. Yeah, how did you do that?
Oh, I just ended it. Oh, does it change with heavy? Oh! That was sick. Okay, cool. Now we have a combo.
I wonder if you could just run right past this without having
Maybe,
to...
let's see.
Uh,
Perfect dodge! I'm so sick! Oh, I didn't take any damage. I'm so good at this game.
Isn't that crazy? I didn't even notice you dodged. I was like, how did you take no damage?
It's locked. Okay, well, what's over here?
Throwing dagger! Ooh, actual daggers.
Throwing dagger! Throwing dagger!
Oh, that's
Ow, that hurt. Ow, that hurt.
dude.
Ow, that hurt. Okay. We have to heal now. Let's use the small one. Oops, not that.
Wondrous physique.
Boom!
Cramped area.
Stuff to loot.
Commoner's headband.
Commoner's headband, eh? Not today. I'm no commoner.
Not anymore.
Alright. Let's kill him.
Are you sure?
Yes, he's mine.
You only have like...
Ow.
Oh boy. Can't jellyfish?
Nope. No jellyfish here.
Bone darts? I'm sorry, not bone darts. I meant to say Art of War. Oh!
How did I miss? Boom. Yeah, this guy's mine. He's dead.
Ah, yeah, you're right.
Yeah, that's pretty easy. Boom.
Ooh!
New shield. Curved sword talisman? What's that do?
Are items random in this game?
Enhances guard counters. Enhances guard counters.
In what
You know
way,
what
though?
that means?
No.
That means I'm going to get huge reposts.
Which is the stabs on...
Uh-huh.
On what's the word?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Not a counter, but like a parry.
Mm-hmm.
And that's a riposte? Is this front stab?
Mm-hmm.
So what's a backstab? Oh.
Not a riposte.
It's a backstab.
Watch, I'll show you. I got a parry, though. Hold on.
So now it's just... Wait, did you equip it?
Yeah, it's on.
just Mondo damage
It's
now?
What the heck was that, guy?
What the frick?
Hello? Come on, I gotta do it. He's so slow, it's like really hard.
I believe it.
Ah! Okay. Well. We'll try it again on someone.
Not
who's weird.
anymore.
Alright, let's go over here. Because I want to unlock this door. Come on, let's do it. Ow.
I don't know if you can parry these guys.
You can, it's just not bad.
Well, enough I said I don't know if you can do it.
Boom.
I can't do it.
Alright, let's go. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Okay, thank you for making that really hard for me. Alright, let's go up here, and then I'll try to get her a post. Avery. Can you not?
I didn't get a Cheeto in my water just now.
Oh, freak. Okay, we got him.
I tried to fix a bag of Cheetos.
I have a
and
lot of souls.
I flung it into my cup of water.
Look how many souls I have.
Oh wow, that's a lot.
Here, hold on. Should we just make it like...
No, don't do it. You need insurance to fall back on. Not the 401k.
Boom.
Ah!
the 401k? What the heck? Oh my gosh. Alright, let's go over here. Ooh, what's this say? Could this be an item? Oh yeah, buddy, show me. Give me an item. Oh,
Gosh dang, mushrooms.
It's a mushroom. 3 mushrooms though.
What do you use mushrooms for?
I can create...
Oh,
Oh my
fire
gosh,
bombs.
look how many of these I can make. Only 2. Okay, it wasn't that big a deal.
Make the rainbow rocks and chuck them.
No. Okay. I like rainbow rocks. Alright, let's go. If only I had dung.
If only you had what?
Dung.
Like
Necessary item ahead. Oh, hello. Oh, jeez. Okay. Ah! Okay.
This guy looks awful.
That's why we have a giant hole in front of us. Okay.
Wow.
Jeez. Relax.
I'm gonna fix this.
Oh, got it. I didn't get the riposte. I should heal. Oh, God, I died.
Not the death.
Oh, that's a lot of souls, buddy.
Oh,
We're gonna run past everybody. I'm not losing all these souls.
free.
Alright, back time. Alright, we'll be right back.
Wow, you really are running past everybody. Look at your health.
Get away from me!
So, how does it feel to have just lost 5,234 souls? No! Oh, that's so dumb.
I can't believe it chased me so far.
My goodness. I can't believe you made it that far.
Huh?
You failed that roll, though.
I can fix this. Yeah. Okay, hello.
Can you even block those? Those looks like such heavy hits.
Oh! God damn. Why?
Okay, well, at least you don't take... Okay, you do take fall damage.
Yeah, definitely. No! Oh.
Hey, look, your souls are over there. You should go get them.
Oh, that was close. Boom.
Nice.
Let's go.
Do a guard counter on him.
Bad choice. Bad choice! Oh, whew. At least I got those ones back.
Mm-hmm. Hit him with that guard counter, bro.
Oh, we're cheesing him.
Can you not block his attacks at all?
No, I can't. Ah, jeez.
Oh, never mind. No, don't risk it. Oh, never mind. It worked.
Okay,
Cheese him.
we're good.
Give him some cheese.
Oh my freaking goodness. Okay.
Gosh, I hate that guy.
Alright, he's done.
Are we back?
We've been back for a sec.
Oh, hi. I didn't know we were back.
Natural commentary is the best. Alright, let's get out of here. Is there a thing?
Is that a lever over there on the left?
Hold on, I want to keep going up.
That is a lever.
Wait, hold on.
No, yeah, you can go up. I didn't know that was a lever. Oh!
Oh my gosh, just stab me. Okay.
Come on, don't make this a new guy.
Oh.
Thank goodness.
Ha! You couldn't kill me.
Dude, you got a bolt through your hand.
I actually have to jump over.
No. Chuck a... Oh. Okay, well. That certainly... Wait. Pull the lever, bring the thing up, and then next time when you jump, it'll be
What
less
lever? Oh,
dangerous.
this one?
Yeah.
Contraption does not move.
Take it back.
Ooh, that's an item. Ah!
Don't do that. Drawstring fire grease. Nani?
Quickly coats armament.
Do it.
Okay, so we'll do it that in a sec. Hold on. I don't want to waste it on the one guy.
Yeah, you're right. Do it on my boss.
Try jumping.
I hate these messages. They're all so lame.
Oh.
Mama!
Mama!
I didn't mean to make you cry.
Wait,
Dude.
where'd he go?
I think he fell.
Did he fall?
Me saying mama came out so genuinely that my brain just corrected. He's on the stairs.
He straight up died.
No, he's behind you. I just saw him.
Oh.
It just automatically corrected to ooh.
Well, this better be good. Throwing dagger.
Nice. Throw your throwing daggers. Actually, at least equip them because you have 10 now, right?
Okay, we're good. Okay. GG.
First try.
Alright, let's go over here. We're going to take this. No, we want that. We don't want you. We don't want you or you or... yeah, we can use the rest of these. Boom. Ready. Oh, actually, here, let's put on the fire grease just so it's there.
Good.
Okay, where are we going now?
Anything else you need to put on?
No. Is there?
I don't know. I thought there was.
I don't think so.
Huh.
What's over here then?
Sconces.
Be wary of bug.
Is there a bug? There's a dead guy. I mean, a guy curled up in the corner right there.
Bug?
Look down. Right there.
He's no bug.
Yeah. But you...
Oh god.
That guy's a bug. Hey, what's up, G? I mean...
What's up? Boom, bang, pop. That's what you get for being silly.
Oh, dude. Right now in that choke
That's
point.
a lot.
Right in the choke point, do the War of Art of War. They can't escape your shake.
This is broken.
Oh.
What the freak?
I knew it, dude. I'm telling you, choke points.
That's how you make money in this game.
Oh my goodness.
They had no chance.
No, especially with the stunning.
Alright, what's over here?
Boxes!
Nothing. Wait, why did I even come up here?
Barrel!
Try jumping. Oh.
Oh.
Okay, well, let's go this way.
I see Bloodstain. I'm getting some, what are those called?
Not going the right way vibes.
No, that game with the flying monkey that goes on you.
Oh, there's death.
What is it?
There's death here.
Ashes of War? No, not that game.
Oh!
Holy crap, that bird is terrifying. Oh wow.
That was cool.
Dude, this,
Oh, I have nothing to heal with! Ah!
this game has such good ideas for bad guys.
Oh god! Okay. Woo!
It was going so well, you could have been a contender.
Oh, I just want to get to the next spot.
Make a new cut!
Alright, new cut.
Oh, dude, I thought we could get got.
Boom! Freaking die.
Him and his crotch shield. Oh, there he goes.
Hey, we have our souls back. And we're back.
Yeah!
We're finally back.
It took 2 minutes.
And I'm not gonna go fight those guys. We're going this way.
And I just combed my hair the wrong way.
What is over here? Does not move. Okay. Oh my god! It's right there. It was right there this whole time.
Oh my
Oh.
goodness. You suck.
Okay.
Woo!
Wow.
Alright. Well, that was a big cut. It can't be the end of the episode now.
Right. Level up.
Woo!
Boom, 20.
Armor?
Endurance.
Come on, there's no way we can't wear it now.
I doubt it. I doubt it.
Why are you looking at the weapons?
Because I wanted to see if I had anything else.
Oh.
Memorize.
Mixed Wondrous Physics.
We don't have spells. And we don't have enough physics. We only have one.
No wonder we failed physics.
Alright. I never took physics.
I never took physics either. It sounded awful. Wait, you didn't even try putting the armor on.
Okay, let's do it. Boom. Heavy load.
Gosh!
It's a certain percentage. We're still way too high.
How do you know when we're there?
Because it's when it's, it says heavy load. Oops.
Dang it!
It's fine. I'm pretty sure that's some high level gear anyways.
Dang. That's just terrible.
It's fine. Bird! Oh, he's a bomb.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you thought you were cool with your bomb.
Okay, we got you. Sucker!
Ooh, ooh. Oh, never mind. You don't have anything to throw.
Sucker! Alright, fight.
Watch out for these barrels still.
I tried. I was cool! Ha.
Guard break this one. Ooh.
He did a penalty hit. It was really
Yeah,
hard.
yeah.
Oh, I should probably heal.
Nah, it's fine. We got the grease. No, don't die, obviously, but...
The freaking slow... Hey, I'm gonna make you roll move. At least we got the side of grease.
That's how it be. These birds literally don't have feet.
Alright, you're dead. Alright, we got the first one. Let's just do the same thing to this guy. Not a good start. That bomb could have murdered me. Oh, we got him.
Woo!
Oh,
Light
my
pignon.
gosh. Hello? Oh.
Down.
Down, required ahead, then strong foe ahead. Try jumping. What?
There's blood.
They're lying.
Watch the blood stain.
Yeah, they're lying. They're
Wait,
lying.
wait. Was that a balcony?
Oh! No! Oh!
You are
oh.
so lucky.
Oh!
They
oh.
weren't lying.
That was actually the most genuine. What? Okay.
Are we stuck?
I don't know.
I think we're stuck. Oh no, wait. You can fast travel to
Oh,
Greases.
look.
You're fine.
Just go down.
That's. I'm
Yo,
so
are we
confused.
supposed to go down here?
Ooh.
Yo,
What's
Mark.
that? Wooden shield? Oh, I probably can't do the thing still, but.
Medium load.
It's so much better!
It doesn't have a parry though.
Wait, go up. Oh, okay, it's not that much better, but it's pretty good. Well, it doesn't have the parry, you're right. But you can guard break better.
But I want a parry. That looks like a cool shield. Do I have to die? Oh, here we go. I want a parry though. It's a good shield though.
I think if you use better... okay, well, if you use better shields for blocking, it uses less stamina.
Now we die?
No, you can fast travel.
Oh, no. We're still going.
Oh, good. You're dead.
Nope,
You're
we
not
lived.
dead.
They let us live. Oh, we gotta get it.
Art of War! Wow, that doesn't say a lot of health.
Storm Assault?
You need a pole arm.
Oh, no.
It's what that guy was using.
No. Oh, no, no, no. We can use a pole arm. We have one of those. No, we don't.
Do not have one of those.
Okay. That's fine. Do we go this way now? No.
Definitely not.
Okay, what's over here? Oh. Foe? Oh, he looks strong.
Nah. Although, maybe.
Oh, he looks strong. Hold on.
Can you summon your squid? I mean, your jellyfish?
Nope.
Dang it. Oh my gosh, he looks really strong. What am I doing? What are we doing?
Oh, I didn't even get the backstab. Oh, he's a Dark Knight. This is what Dark Knights used to look like in the other game, except they're black. These ones are like orange.
Brought like copper.
You missed, sucker. Oh! No backstabs?
Oh my god, you're gonna have to guard break this guy.
Ow. Okay. Not a good start. Oh. Okay.
So we're definitely killing
We're
this
gonna
guy,
come back in the next episode to fight this guy. So we're out.
right? Shovel Knight who?
Alright, we'll start the next episode right here fighting this guy.
Yeah!
Alright. Okay guys, we're out of here. We're gonna go.
Alright.
Oh, one more?